Hello everyone, in the current session we will be discussing about part 5 of anti-cancer drugs, the miscellaneous cytotoxic drugs. The miscellaneous cytotoxic drugs are hydroxyurea, tretinoin, L-asparginase and arsenic trioxide. Hydroxyurea. Coming to hydroxyurea, the main mechanism of action is it blocks the conversion of ribonucleotides to deoxyribonucleotides by inhibiting the enzyme ribonucleoside diphosphate reductase, and thereby it inhibits the DNA synthesis and exerts S-phase specific action. Coming to the uses, it is used to treat chronic myeloid leukemia, psoriasis, polycythemia, and first-line drug in sickle cell anemia. Hydroxyurea is a first-line drug in sickle cell disease. Adverse effects are myelosuppression, gastrointestinal disturbances, and cutaneous reactions. Coming to the next drug, L-asparginase. Leukemia cells found to be deficient in L-asparginase synthase enzyme. So, depending upon the supply of L-aspargine from the medium, leukemia cells are found to be deficient in L-asparginase synthase enzyme depending on the supply of L-aspargine from the medium. And L-aspase degrades L-aspargine to L-aspartic acid. So this enzyme makes the cells, leukemial cells, deprived of its essential metabolite, leading to the cell death. Coming to the uses, acute lymphoblastic leukemia with methotrexate, prednisolone and vincristine. It is used along with methotrexate, prednisolone and vincristine, and it is mainly used to treat acute lymphoblastic leukemia. Adverse effects are hyperglycemia, raised triglyceride levels, pancreatitis, liver damage, clotting defects, and CNS symptoms. The next drug is tretinoin. It is especially acute polymyelocytic leukemia APL, which is a subtype of AML, is associated with the production of fusion gene PML-RAR alpha, and high doses of this drug binds to RAL alpha RXR dimer. This prevents the formation of PML-RAR alpha dimerization, and this also promotes degradation of the already formed fusion gene, and it also enhances the remission in the induced acute promyelocytic leukemia. Coming to the uses, it is highly effective in treating acute promyelocytic leukemia. Alone can induce temporary remission in APL, and along with daunorubicin and doxorubicin, it can achieve a complete remission up to 95%. Coming to the adverse effects, retinoic acid syndrome can occur. In order to prevent that, pre-treatment with dexamethasone is essential. Dryness of eye, skin, nose, mouth, pruritus and epistaxis are some of the other adverse effects. Rise in serum lipid levels, hepatic transaminase and intracranial pressure is also seen. The next drug is arsenic trioxide. It probably acts by enhancing reactive oxygen-free radical generation in the APL cells. This causes the morphological change, DNA fragmentation and cell death, apoptosis. Coming to the uses, it is primarily used in resistant cases of APL after tretinoin treatment. Triple therapy of ATO plus tretinoin plus anthracycline is found to be very effective. It provides long-term remission. Adverse effects are nausea, dizziness, malaise, fatigue, sensory disturbance, effusions, hyperglycemia, QT prolongations, and AV block. And corticosteroid treatment provides considerable relief from all these effects, all the adverse effects of the drug. By this, we complete the miscellaneous cytotoxic drugs. Thank you.